What if I told you you could earn passive income with crypto without trading, without charts, and without being glued to your screen? No, it's not mining, and it's not a scam. It's called staking, and most beginners completely misunderstand it. Let's fix that. If you've ever wondered how people earn crypto while they sleep or whether staking is actually worth it, this video will explain it in simple English, no tech jargon. Let's break it down. Staking is basically earning rewards by locking your crypto to help run a blockchain network. Think of it like this. Banks use your money to make profits and pay you almost nothing. Crypto networks do the same thing, but you get paid directly. When you stake your coins, you help validate transactions, secure the network, keep the blockchain running smoothly. And in return, the network rewards you with more crypto. Here's how it works step by step. You hold a cryptocurrency like Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, or Polkadot. You stake it, meaning you lock it up. Validators use those staked coins to confirm transactions, and every time a new block is added, you earn rewards. No computers, no mining rigs, no technical skills. So how much can you earn? Typically, 3 to 6% per year on large networks like Ethereum, 6 to 12% on coins like Solana or Cosmos, and sometimes even higher on newer projects. It's like earning interest, but paid in crypto. You can stake in 3 main ways. 1. Directly on the blockchain. This is most secure way. 2. Through exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. And 3. Liquid staking where your money stays usable while earning rewards. Staking is not risk-free. You may face lockup periods, price drops, validator penalties, exchange risks. Staking earns you more coins, but it doesn't protect you from market crashes. Staking makes sense if you're holding long-term, you want passive income, and you believe in the project. If you're a short-term trader, staking may not be for you. So now you know. Staking isn't magic. It's not hype. It's simply how modern blockchains reward long-term believers. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.